What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If it is the first time you're touching down in this channel, welcome to Small Feet Big Heat. We talk sneakers, we talk streetwear, and everything in between. Today, I'm coming at y'all with a fitted hat unboxing. It's been a minute since I did one of these. I got a mixture of stuff. Basically, there's some stuff from MLB Shop. I picked up some stuff from a boutique that I'm going to be showing y'all, as well as a pre-order that I've been waiting quite a long time for. So we got a couple boxes to open up. Let's go ahead and get into the stuff that I picked up from MLB Shop first. So the first one from MLB Shop is one that I actually opened up already. Like I said, some of these I have been sitting on for quite some time. You know, packages come in, I open them up and I put them to the side to make more space for more packages. So that's kind of what this is. But this is the Awake and New Era collab that came out, you know, a little bit ago. But I really like these. This is the gray one. There was a gray and there was a navy. So this is the gray joint right here. I don't think that I have any gray fitteds, like light gray, so I definitely wanted to scoop this one. The navy one, at the time that I bought this one, was out of stock, but now it's back in stock, so I'll probably go ahead and, you know, scoop that one up as well so that I have both. But I really like this one. So you have the navy base Subway Series patch on there. I'll give y'all a better look at that in a second. Navy Yankees front logo. Size 7 1/8. Gotta check the inside because sometimes the stickers are wrong. 7 1/8. And then you have the Awake branding. So it's that Subway Series. Let me go ahead and let it focus. Subway Series. And then it says Awake right on top of the New Era. And I said I would give y'all a better look at that patch. There it goes. Got the Subway Series patch on there. It's a raised Batterman on the back. It's a very clean, very nice hat. Green UV. I'm not over the color UVs. I still really like them. I'm wearing one today, obviously. But I will say I'm trying to get my greens and my grays up. I have more greens and grays than anything else, but I still want more just because, I don't know. I want to get more greens and grays. That's all I'm going to say. But yeah, there it goes. It's looking good. It's clean. It's real clean. Down below in the comment section, let me know what your favorite UV color is. And like I said, I picked this up from MLB Shop. They still have the gray and they also restocked on the navy. So if you want either one of those, you can go ahead and pick that up at MLB Shop. Now this next one from MLB Shop, I'm not gonna lie, it actually took me a little minute to find. When they first dropped, I kind of slept on them and I was like, maybe if I wait, I could get it on sale. But then they started selling out real quick. I think people got hip to them. You know, at first I think people was really sleeping on these, but this is a brand collaboration I've always been a fan of. Hopefully this is the right box because I'm saying all of this and if it's the wrong box, I'm gonna be looking stupid, but I'm pretty sure this is the right one. So go ahead and open this up. No, this is the wrong. Yo, all right, so I don't know what the hat is. I looked around a little bit in the boxes that I have. I don't see the hat, so I guess either it never showed up and it just kind of slipped through the cracks because like I said, I get a lot of packages, but I don't know where it is, but it was the Phelps and New Era collab, the one with the butterflies on it. I believe I had picked up the Yankees one or the Mets. I don't even remember at this point. I'm gonna have to go back in my emails and look at the confirmation, see what exactly happened to that hat. But we gonna go ahead and move on to the hat that I picked up from the boutique that I was telling y'all about. So this is from Feature Boutique. I get a lot of my like shorts and shirts and stuff from Feature. I like some of the stuff that they make. And when I saw that they were dropping these, I went ahead and I picked one up. They dropped them in a bunch of colors. It was like a UNC blue, it was a black, it was a red, I think. I don't really remember, it's been a while. But this orange one is the one that I wanted. So the base color is like an off-white, kind of cream looking thing. You know? Kind of like a vintage vibe. It's like a very light off-white. Says Feature on the back. They have their branding. It's a nice touch. Orange button. Orange and New Era flag. No patch. Just plain Jane. And there goes the Feature logo they put on these hats. I like it. It's clean. It's a good looking hat. Like I said, I picked this up from Feature. If you're interested in it or in the other colors, you could probably check them out on Feature. I doubt that these have sold out just because it's not like they were flying off the shelves or anything like that. So check it out if you're interested in one. You know, gray UV, black sweatband, size 7 1/8. I already checked the inside. And this is from Bangladesh. So, there you go. It's clean, you know, nothing crazy. All right, so we're gonna get into this last box. This last box is from Mag Park. If you're not familiar with Mag Park, they sell sneakers and shit like that. Like, I basically think it's like some type of consignment shop. I'm not really familiar with them. This is the first like order that I've ever made with them. I ordered these back on April 15th. I ordered these on April 15th. The estimated delivery was late June, early July, and they ended up coming on, when did these hit the doorstep? October 13th. So I don't need to say too much about that. Like, needless to say, I was waiting a minute. So I've seen a couple pictures on Instagram already. You know, people went straight to head basically, because people been waiting for forever. But we're gonna go ahead and crack it open. I've seen people say they were worth the wait, but I mean, what else can you say after you waited, what, like 6+ months for something? So let's go ahead, see what it is. Should be 3 of them in here. I really need everything to be in this box the way that I ordered it. No shenanigans. We already had something not work out already. Hopefully everything is in this box. So. Alright, so let me actually keep this here. Fold it so that my info is not all out there, but I'm gonna keep that there to make sure that I have everything. Alright, so this is the first hat right here. This was their Union kind of like inspired collection. I believe this hat was called Off Noir. Let me check. Yeah, this was Noir. So obviously it's a black hat. Got the Dodgers logo on the front, which is perfect for me because I love Yankees and Dodgers hats. A white Dodgers with the red outline, blue buttons. It's a very, very clean hat, which is why I ordered them. Just wasn't expecting to wait so long. Take a look at that patch. And if you've seen the Union Jordans, you know that like cream color is perfect. Let's see if I can give y'all a better look, but you could actually see there's a little bit of cream worked into the Batterman in there. Really, really nice. And then the World Series is just like a bright white, so there is some contrast. It's a very nice hat. Blue, New Era flag. The Batterman is cream, blue and red. It's not white. So again, working in that cream color. They did a really good job with the color coordination. It's nothing crazy or over the top, but it's a very nice hat. There goes the UV. It's that cream color. Let it focus a little bit. Hopefully it does. So y'all can get a better look at this. Yeah, there it goes. I might give y'all some shots with this and the sneakers side by side so y'all can really get the full effect. But the Noir, let's go ahead and put that to the side. I'm not gonna say yet if it was worth the wait. I need all these other hats to be straight first. So what's this one? Guava. Yeah, this is a Mango Lava. So this is a two-tone. I had to get it. I actually do not have the Union for Guava yet. That is one that's on my list. I need that one, and then I think I'm good on the Unions. So y'all can see the base color is kind of like it's kind of like between a khaki and a peach. It's weird, but it's really nice. It's like it's guava, I guess. It's like a very light between khaki and peach, more so on the peach side. It's a nice color. Dodgers logo, white Dodgers logo once again, this time with a blue outline, blue button on top. There goes the side patch on that one. So you have the cream Batterman in there once again, bright white World Series. Let me know if y'all are tired of seeing the World Series 2020 patch. I know some people definitely are. It doesn't really bother me much. Blue New Era logo. Raised Batterman one more time. Is that cream or is it white? It's cream once again. So there you go. You got that nice like eggshell. That's what it is, like an eggshell kind of UV color. I feel like that's more accurate than cream. It's definitely like an eggshell type color. So there it is. And last but not least, I actually forgot what this one is called. So let me go ahead and take a look. This is Lava. This one is Mango Lava. This one is just Lava. So this is kind of like a I want to say it's like an infrared color, but the hat on my head is infrared. Yeah, okay, so it is like an infrared color because they're pretty similar. They're on par with each other, I would say. So it's like an infrared color. Infrared is a very tricky color to capture. Like when you see it in pictures, it really don't hit the same as on video and in person. So if y'all are ever picking up a hat that's infrared, you know, go with the flow. It's probably gonna look a lot better in hand. Let me let it focus a little bit. Come on, work with me, work with me. There it goes. So you got the white Dodgers logo once again. The outline is like a cream. Is that cream or is it kind of like that beige color? Nah, it's like beige. It's not guava like the other hat. It's like a true kind of beige color. World Series 2020, once again, I will say I do wish that they would have switched up the patches, but I don't think they make hats often. Y'all gotta correct me if I'm wrong, but they just started making hats, so maybe they'll switch up the patches in the future. I know they did an Olympic pack that was fire, but World Series 2020 pretty much on par with the others that I've shown. Cream, blue, and red Batterman, once again, some raised Batterman. Blue New Era flag, blue button on top with the eggshell UV and the white guts. Yeah, it's a very, very nice hat. I can't say that the hats are not nice. I definitely would have appreciated the hats not even coming sooner, because if that's out of your control, it's out of your control. Like, it just is what it is. You know, you get the hats. The store gets the hats when they get the hats. There's no way for them to rush New Era, so there's no way for me to rush them, and I completely understand that. I would have appreciated more communication, because I felt like they did one Instagram post and that was it. Like, I didn't give you my money through Instagram, so when you update me about the hats, I want it through email. I want, you know, if I put my phone number in the thing for shipping updates, you know, I want a text message, something like that, because I didn't give you my money through Instagram, so I don't want updates on what I purchased through Instagram. But that's just me. It is what it is. I really like the hats. I feel like they could have did something with the patches, but I see what they were going for. Yeah, it is what it is. Let me show y'all all the hats again one more time. So here they are once again, the one that I picked up from MLB Shop, the one from Feature Boutique, and the 3 that I picked up from Mag Park as a pre-order. Y'all let me know what y'all think down below in the comment section of this fitted hat haul, and I'll definitely be coming at y'all with another one soon. I think we actually have a little bit of time, so I might go ahead and show y'all the pins that I was gonna show you in the last video. So let's go ahead and get into that. I don't want this video to be too long, so we just gonna run through these right quickly. I feel like I had more pins to show y'all, but since they're now mixed up with all the other pins that I have, it's hard for me to remember which ones I've shown y'all and which ones I haven't. But we just gonna go ahead and jump into what I have here. So this first one is from Differently Uptown. I'll make sure I put like a B-roll clip up here so y'all can see it better, but this one actually spins. It's pretty dope. I like it a lot. Once I saw these, I was like, yeah, I gotta get me one of those. So I went to the website and I like picked it up right away. Make sure y'all shop with Differently Uptown. He's definitely doing different things. Like, I really like his stuff. It's dope. Just made some like sunflower masks for the winter season, cozy season. That's gonna be fire. So yeah, definitely check out Differently Uptown. I'll make sure I give y'all a really good close look at this one because the details go crazy. This is a really nice one. These next ones I picked up because it is spooky season. I had to make sure I had something on deck for that. So I picked these up from Etsy. I like Etsy as far as fitted hat pin shopping, you know, when I'm buying pins, because I feel like the selection is so much greater on Etsy, eBay. I'm gonna do a whole video on where you can pick up fitted hat pins, but yeah, I picked these up on Etsy. These are dope. You got like the scary movie face. Y'all let me know if y'all know a movie that's from down below in the comment section. If you don't, I'm gonna be side-eyeing you. So you got the face right there with the telephone. Y'all should know where that's from. And it says, what's your favorite scary movie? I really like this. Picked up another one to go along with that. So this is like a road killer license plate and it says Ghostface in there. These two I picked up because one of my favorite movies is Kill Bill. So these are the actually motorcycle helmets that were worn in Kill Bill. So this one has blood on it and this one is plain. I had to go ahead and pick them up both because I wasn't really sure which one I wanted. So I went ahead and I copped them both. The one with the blood on is actually pretty dope. But so is the plain one. I don't know. Y'all like Kill Bill? Let me know down below in the comment section. This came extra with the Kill Bill ones. I did not buy this one, but I'm gonna show it to y'all. Anyway, it's like a skull type thing, and it has these holes in it. I'm not sure why those holes are there. It's a little weird, but yeah, they threw that in for free. This is like a nostalgia pickup. Y'all remember Parappa the Rapper? What was that, like PlayStation 2? It was one of my favorite games, so I had to pick this up. I was feeling nostalgic, and it was only one when I saw him, so I went ahead and I picked that up. I bought this from Blue Brims. Show y'all know who Blue Brims is. It's like the popsicle stick type thing. So there that goes. Picked this up from Crown Kings. Show y'all know who Crown Kings is. This has like the Chrome Hearts vibe, but it says Crown Kings inside instead. This is a really nice one. I like it a lot. Yeah, I went ahead and I picked up this one. This is clean. What else was last? I feel like I missed one. Was that it? I think that was it. If you enjoyed today's video, remember to like, comment, subscribe, show a small YouTuber some love, and I'll check y'all out in the next one.